How to manage app volume individually in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control the volume of each app separately without affecting everything else. First, right-click on the speaker icon in the bottom right of your taskbar and select Sound Settings. From there, scroll down and click on Volume Mixer. At this point, you'll see a list of every app currently playing audio on your device, each with its own volume slider. From here, drag the slider next to any app up or down to adjust its volume independently from everything else. Following this, if you want to assign a specific output device to an individual app, click on the drop-down next to the app and select whichever audio device you want it to use. After that, you can also adjust the system sounds volume from the same page by dragging its slider separately from your other apps. Finally, if you want to reset all app volumes back to default, scroll down to the bottom of the volume mixer page and click Reset to restore everything to its original level. That's how you manage app volume individually in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!